What is financial intelligence? If you've never heard of financial intelligence, think of financial literacy. Robert Kiyosaki describes it as seeing less with your eyes and using your mind more when investing. Let's look at ways to help you develop your financial intelligence skills. 1. Financial intelligence directs you to see opportunities where others don't. Successful investors will see money in tough times when others don't, and this all comes down to their higher financial intelligence. This especially rings true when we are in a crisis, such as a pandemic. Financial intelligence is investing at the right time and making a profit while others lose their money. 2. Financial intelligence begins with an understanding of money and how it works. Because money is mainly electronic and can't get seen with our eyes, we neglect to see anything. People who are highly financially intelligent can see where money is and grab on to opportunities. 3. Financial intelligence lets you see money. Financial intelligence lets you see money and brings you to opportunities where you can reap benefits. While everyone wonders how you make money, you will continue to train your brain to see money and grab it. Financial literacy brings you to financial opportunities, so build your knowledge and understand the language of money. Please share your own thoughts about financial intelligence.
Remember to like and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.